In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Bitcoin eToro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to close your Bitcoin position and turn some or all of it back into available balance on your account. We're keeping this simple and focused, while adding just enough context so you feel confident with every click. First, head to your portfolio. This is where all your open investments live, so it's the best place to review what you currently hold and what's in profit or loss. On desktop, you'll see Portfolio in the left-hand menu. On mobile, you'll find it in the bottom navigation. Give the page a second to load so the numbers refresh in real time. Next, find Bitcoin, listed as BTC. You'll see it among your holdings, along with key details like your current value and unrealized profit or loss. If you hold multiple crypto assets or several Bitcoin positions, take a moment to locate the exact line you want to work with. Now, click your open position in Bitcoin. This opens the position details where you can see entry price, size, current rate, and performance. It's a good place to double check you're about to act on the correct trade, especially if you open more than one position at different times. When you're ready, click Close Trade. Look for the red X next to the position. This action tells the platform you want to exit that position. You're not deleting anything. You're closing the trade at the market price, which converts the position back into available cash in your account. Choose how much you want to close. You can close the full position if you want to completely exit Bitcoin, or you can do a partial close to lock in some gains or limit a loss while leaving the rest open. Pay attention to whether the input is in units of BTC or in your account currency, and use the slider or type the exact amount you want to close. Partial closes, when available, are useful for taking profit gradually and managing risk. Finally, click Close Trade and confirm. You'll see a confirmation window summarizing what you're about to do. Review the amount, estimated execution, and any impact on your profit or loss. Once you confirm, the order executes at the current market rate, and the proceeds move to your available balance. Keep in mind that execution is subject to market conditions, spreads, and liquidity, so the final price may vary slightly from what you see on screen. That's the full process. Go to Portfolio, find Bitcoin, open the position, hit Close Trade, choose your amount, and confirm. You've successfully sold Bitcoin on eToro.